Hi, it's Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and we actually received some pretty exciting news from HUD yesterday in terms of FHA and condos. So one of the problems with condos, especially when it came to FHA, is that the entire complex had to be FHA approved in order to be able to have a condo purchased with FHA financing. Well, it looks like that's actually going to be changing to where now we can have what are called spot approvals, meaning that even if the entire complex isn't approved, we can actually have some units in that complex specifically approved to where they will be eligible for FHA financing. So with that, there are some guidelines that are involved. They're going to be looking at the total amount of units that already have FHA financing. If the complex has over 10 units, then is going to be limited to 10% of the total units which can have FHA financing. And if it has less than 10 units, you can have 2 units. So that would be 20% or a little bit greater. But in any case, it's great news for buyers who are interested in kind of getting into the home ownership phase of their lives and really being able to take advantage of some great financing which previously wasn't available. In any case, if you have any questions on this, I'd be more than happy to answer those for you. Just give me a call. Best number is 972-672-3246, and I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate. Thanks.